24/7 live video, 130-degree view shows your home in 1080p HD day and night. Weatherproof. Camera cable and adapter are all weatherproof. Clear as day even at night. Night vision evenly illuminates the whole scene. See who's at the door and talk back to get their attention. Alerts on your phone. Get activity alerts so you know if anything happens while you're away. Install it yourself. Install yourself and point it anywhere with the unique magnetic mount. No hub required. Top reviews from the United States. After the Arlo system failed to live up to its hype, we ordered these as a replacement. I was skeptical at first, where a lot of these reviews say the cameras are useless without Nest Aware and talk about its high price. It seems like Nest listened, and created a free package. This package is still limited compared to other services, only offering clips 3 hours back, and only recording clips when motion is detected. However, that it's still plenty useful. If it's not for you, then they've also included the addition of a $50 per year or $5 per month Nest Aware package, which includes more intuitive features like person detection and 5 days of continuous recording. The cameras themselves take great wide-angled views. Set up as a breeze, download the app, make an account, and scan the QR code on the camera with your phone. The mounting method is a magnetic swivel base, that attaches to the back of the camera, and then to a backing plate that's screwed into a wall. While this may seem insecure at first, like someone could just grab your camera and run, Nest has included a bunch of cable tie-downs, that you would snap over the cable and drill into the wall. This makes a quick grab and snatch nearly impossible, meaning they'd have to stick around and unscrew all the tie-downs. The camera is also locked to your account until released, and would alert you once it detected it was being moved.